Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the hourly chart of gold in front of us. And right now, gold is standing around 2300. Yesterday, there was a sudden drop on gold. Gold broke the level of 2300, but as we discussed, that if gold breaks also 2300, we have a support zone till 2295, and hopefully you guys made some money. But right now we can see that sellers are dominating this market. Okay, and if we look at the market sentiment, we can see gold prices lingers near 2-week low as traders eye US inflation data, means tomorrow's PCE data. Gold flat USPC report awaited, so the present market sentiment will continue. I'm not saying that market will remain sideways, market will remain flat, but yes, we can expect the market to test the next support of 2287 as well. Means in absence of USPC data, the ongoing market sentiment will continue. And right now, sellers are having the upper hand. But if you look at the economic calendar, we can see that today also we have news coming up. So maybe USPC data is tomorrow, but as a trader, we need to be careful today as well. And for the last 2 weeks, gold has been extremely unpredictable. Things have been crazy, and crazy is the new normal. So please be careful if you have any open position on any US dollar pair. And my dear friends, if you see the market is very volatile, market is taking a particular trend on lower time frame, then try to follow the trend of the market. Forget about the technicals, because it is a bitter reality that when fundamentals or news dominate a market, technicals fail. And we are traders, we are here to make money, not to show our loyalty or allegiance to the technicals. No, you need to follow the trend of the market. It is much more important. Okay, now, before I proceed with the chart, my dear friends, I would like to mention one thing, that for the last couple of days and weeks, we have been discussing about level to level trading. Okay, level to level trading, that market is unpredictable. So we should not go for any swing or positional trades. We should only stick to our levels. So yesterday, our levels did a good job. Okay, but still I received 2-3 emails where people have expressed their concern, because for example they took a buy at 2304. Okay, market made a high of 231518, but still they did not exit. When again gold came around to 2295, gold bounced back. Okay, they did not exit. So my dear friends, taking an entry obviously is very important, but right exit is also very important. Not all the market conditions give you a proper exit. You also need to make your own exit sometimes. We have been discussing that level to level trading is best for this trading market, trading not in this market situation, because the reason is that this market is unpredictable. You cannot take a buy position and sit on the buy position for a couple of days. You cannot take a sell and sit on the sell for the next couple of days, because we do not have that kind of capital where we can have a huge drawdown. Okay. So my reference, please do not make the mistake. We have been discussing that 40 pips, 50 pips. Why? Because the reason is that after 40, 50 pips, what may happen, it is very difficult to tell right now. So if you are also stuck on any buy position right now from yesterday, then please try to exit when you will see the market is showing signs of recovery. And today, okay, today do not make the mistake. Today also we will be following the same strategy that we have been following, level to level. 40 50 pips, 40 50 pips, not more than that. Because after PC data, if market takes a particular direction, then we can sit on a buy and sell. Okay, but at this moment market is mostly waiting for a news, so let's wait for the news, and then we will think about a position that we can hold for next few days. Okay, let's look at the daily time frame first, because many have been discussing about a daily time frame. And the most common thing that I have heard from people is that many people are believing that this is a head and shoulder pattern. But my dear friends, a typical head and shoulder pattern or normal head and shoulder pattern looks like this. Means there will be one head and two shoulders. But here we can see that we do not have a clean head and shoulder pattern. Okay, and if you have been watching my videos, you must be knowing that I'm not a lover of patterns. But if you believe that because of the head and shoulder pattern, market is going down, market will show a big retracement, that is your personal choice. Okay, but personally, what I observe on the daily chart is that market is constantly forming lower highs here. You can see market is constantly forming lower highs, as a result of which there is a good possibility that we can see a downside, not because of any head and shoulder pattern. That's your personal observation. But I have seen from my experience that whenever market forms lower highs, usually the supports do not work. Okay, market shows downtrend, and as we all know that, okay, there is a pending correction on the chart of gold. So time will speak. Okay, after all, we also need to understand that hope is not a trading strategy, and hope can never be the trading strategy. Okay, if you have taken a sell on gold hoping for a downside, okay, then be careful, follow proper risk management. Okay, so if gold goes up from the current market price, okay, again I'm repeating, right now market start trending around, not trending, trading around 2300. So during the day, if you see market going up, then we have three selling opportunities. The first selling opportunity is around 2310211. The second selling opportunity is around 2315, and the second selling opportunity is around 2320 to 2322. These are the three selling opportunities on the chart of gold before US session. What? Before US session. Because after US session, we have not after during the US session, we have a news. If you see that market has formed a big green candle, you need to follow the trend of the market. Do not look for reversals because market will break it. So these are the three levels where we can look for a sell opportunity if we see the market is going up. And why we are looking for sell only? Because if we look at the trend of the market here, we can clearly see the sellers are having an upper hand here. So taking a sell position seems to be a safe thing right now. Okay, and if we draw FIBO, my dear friends, you can see at 2310, 2311, we have FIBO 23.6% retracement level, plus the previous support will also be acting as resistance. Okay, and 2322, 2320, because of FIBO 38.2% retracement level, plus the previous support will be working as resistance. So these are the levels where we can look for a sell. And if we change our FIBO level here, you can see we have another level on the middle of the chart, which is around 2315. Okay, which is around 2315, and we can see market has already shown previous price rejection around this area. So we are considering all the three levels as a selling opportunity before the US session. Okay, but right now we can clearly see that market is flat. There is not much volume and volatility in the market. If market remains like this, then please try to avoid any sort of position here. And by the US session, if market comes with volume, suppose you see the market is going down, and yesterday market made a low of 2393.6. This is the low made by the market yesterday. So by the European session, if you see that there is a drop in the market, US session also, okay, US session also, if you see that gold is going down, you can look for a sell below this level. Okay, you can look for a sell below this level. The next immediate support is around 2287. So if you take a sell at 2393, try to exit around 2389, 2388. Okay, just before the support. But after US session, if there is a heavy selling in the market, then obviously you can continue. But before US session, okay, 40 pips is decent enough. And before US session, there is a possibility that market may also bounce from 2287. Role of volume is very, very important here. So 2393, we can look for a sell. We can look for a sell below this level, and if selling pressure is high, we can continue with the sell. But before US session, there is a good chance that 2287 will work as support. Once market will hit 2287, observe the market. We can switch to a lower time frame of 15 minutes. If you see market shows price rejection from below, you can hit the buy button. And the best support, okay, the best support on the chart of gold is around 2272 to 7. This is the best support on the chart of gold right now, as of now. On a daily chart, we could see that market has formed a lower high. So we cannot expect a complete trend reversal in absence of a fundamental factor because fundamentals provide direction to the market. But at least we can expect a good bounce around this area. Okay, but before US session, chances of market uh, hitting 2272, 2278 is very less. So let's wait and watch how does the market react. And again, I'm repeating, my dear friends, we are traders, not gamblers. So only trade on the levels where we understand. Okay, do not try to place levels trades blindly. Okay, because we are dealing with a hard-earned money. Do not forget it. Okay, the balance on the MT4, MT5 that is showing is your hard-earned money. And my dear friends, thank you so much for such an overwhelming response for the 3 days workshop. Okay, the 3 days workshop has finally come to an end. Okay, the English classes are starting from tomorrow onwards. Okay, so if you have missed the opportunity, okay, then you can um, join after 3 4 months. Okay, if I conduct again. Okay, thank you so much for all the love and support, my dear friends. Bye bye. Take care. And my dear friends, thank you so much for such an overwhelming response for the world's most affordable forex trading workshop, which is starting from tomorrow. Hindi classes are already over. English classes will start from tomorrow. If you have missed the opportunity, today is the last day to join because it's a workshop that has been designed only for those people who are struggling with the market, unable to make money for months and years. It's a 3 days workshop followed by 1 month support. On the website, you will find all the details. These are the topics that we will be discussing during the workshop. And in 1 month support, you will be receiving regular market updates, analysis on our WhatsApp group. And we will also be having regular weekly sessions. So total 7 classes you can see. By default, this is our WhatsApp group where I post regular market updates and analysis so that you can understand how to proceed with the market. Because sometimes after the classes, people get confused how to proceed with the market. So the morning updates, helps you to stay in on track. Okay, and during important events like NAP, CPI, we also conduct live sessions and we trade together. So we also have a Telegram community where we share ideas, ask questions. It's a colorful community of traders from all around the world. And these are the dates for the English classes. And if you're unable to attend because of time difference, no need to worry. I record each and every session so that you can watch later. And the best part is the fees. It's only $15 or rupees 1,000 for 3 days workshop with 1 month support. And as we all know, trading is a journey. Trading takes time. And if you're looking for personal sessions, then you can also look for semi-annual or lifetime support. Because in semi-annual, not only you will be getting support for 6 months, but you will receive 2 personal sessions to clear doubts, ask questions. And in lifetime, you will be receiving 6 personal sessions with me for learning purpose to clear doubts and to gossip if you want. Okay, so everything is very affordable, my dear friends. And these are the payment methods. Okay, once you're done with the payment, just share a screenshot to the WhatsApp number here. I will add you to the group. That's all, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.